so excited for this. I feel like this is an answered prayer. Let's open it. It'll work. Stand by for technical difficulties. All right, technical difficulties are fixed. We are back. I'm excited for this. First, total squirrel moment. Isn't it cute? All right, so I just want to show y'all what all you get in this. So this is the water tank and the grow deck. And then you'll get the LED light panel that does have adjustable height to it. That's pretty cool. I kind of feel like I can golf. So you get 12 baskets that come in your kits. It came with 12 sponges to go in the baskets. This is all of the gardening stuff you're going to need. It has one set of tweezers, 6 tags, and then it has 6 covers and 2 sheets of stickers. And then you will get some caps, and you also get some grow domes too. And they do also include plant food A and plant food B. But you just got to put some water in, you shake them up, and then you just give it whatever amount you need to. All right, so I'm going to put this on pause, and we are going to get this set up and ready to go, and then I will show you guys what I am planting. Now, I did want to just show you this right here. This is a transparent or translucent, whatever you want to, whichever word you want to say, but it is see-through. So this is the water tank, and look how cute this design is. I love the bow tie. And here it is all put together. I am very excited for this. It is just so cute. I know I said it earlier, but I feel like this is an answered prayer because I remember talking to my parents about an indoor gardening thing, and then I got one now. But I am growing some dill right here. We got our basil row. We got thyme. We have the oregano, and I have parsley. But it took me maybe 20 to 30 minutes at most to get it all completely set up and running. I'm very excited to see this, and I will do a part 2 when it is time to harvest. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and give it a thumbs up. See you on the next video. Bye, guys.